Hi everyone, so we are at the Home Depot. This is located in Ottawa. If you are looking for your bulbs for the blooms for this coming spring, this is the perfect time to buy it. Right now, all the bulbs are all in 50% off. As you can see, it's 50% right here, and in here there's so many flowers that you can choose. The alliums is $9.98 and it's 50% off. There's how many bulbs in here? It's about 7 bulbs in here. The crocus, all the tulips and daffodils. This is a very nice tulipa. So there's 15 pieces of bulb for $9.98. And there's another nice color right here. $14 for 30 bulbs. And the crocus, there is 40 pieces of bulbs for $14.98, and this is 50% as well. So if you're planning to do your garden and to have more blooms this coming spring, you can come to Home Depot and then get your bulbs.